I have a hot one today, and not just because it's July. Hello, traders. I'm Angela Miles with the Russell Report. We all saw the weakness in the market on Thursday and vol on the rise, but perhaps those fears out of what's ahead for the Fed are seeping into the small caps. In options trading in the Russell yesterday, one call was trading for every 1.6 puts. The big headline story I have for you today, this is a hot one. Options traders in the small caps were frenetically putting on spread strategies into the closing bell yesterday. 60,000 contracts, 6 different option spread strategies, mostly in the near term, came out of nowhere just ahead of the closing bell. Now, some of the spreads were bullish, some of the spreads were bearish. So we saw buyers, we saw sellers of options. I'll tell you a couple of trades that I noticed. The July 1690, 1720 put spread, that traded 7,200 contracts. On the call side, the July 1950 and 2000 calls traded 6,000 contracts. One trend to look for here, these traders seem to want movement in the Russell during the next 2 weeks when most of those spread contracts expire. Now, the straddle for today is suggesting that the Russell could move just under 1% and the next week around 2.3% by next Friday. In the mini Russell, some options trading there, one call trading for every 2 puts, a little bit of fear factor. The weekly puts expiring July 10. There was a seller at the 189 and 187 put strikes. Well, that's your report for this holiday-ish trading week. I will be back on the trading floor next week. Have a great weekend, everybody. I'm Angela Miles.